Hello, today I'll be making Asian noodles with cilantro, kale, carrots, and eggplant. The first thing you'll want to do is cook your noodles according to package directions. You can use soba noodles or I'm using gluten-free linguine. And then you'll want to cut the tops off of your eggplant and then slice them lengthwise. And we're going to boil these on the top rack for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Boil?
Did I say boil? Broil. So we're just crushing our garlic, kind of release the flavors, but also to help it make it easier to peel. So next you'll want to add 1 cup cilantro to your food processor, and either fresh ginger would be preferred, but it's hard for me to find it out here, so I just use this jarred kind. 1 tablespoon. I've got a little chef in the house that steals my tablespoons, so it's a half tablespoon. And then 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which again I just have a half teaspoon measure, so. And then about 6 cloves, fresh chopped, just lightly chopped garlic. And we'll process that until it makes a paste. Now you can add about 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using peanut oil, but you could use sesame or whatever oil you prefer. And we'll have to just scrape it down on the sides and keep processing it. So then you'll just want to scrape down the sides, making sure to keep little fingers away from here, and keep pulsing, or pureeing. Okay, then you'll start heating your saucepan on medium heat and add that paste. You'll want to add it once your pan is a little bit hot already, and we'll saute it for about 30 seconds.
Daddy.
After you've sauteed your paste, you can add 1 can of light coconut milk and 1/2 cup water. Next, you can season with salt and pepper if desired, and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, making sure not to get the seeds in. While your sauce is simmering, you can peel your eggplant, which is kind of easier if you try to squeeze it out of some of them. Just kind of squeeze it, and then that'll kind of pop it off. After you've mixed in the lime juice and the salt and pepper, you can pour it over your noodles. Next, I'm just using that same pan in the interest of saving using less pan, so I just rinsed out my sauce pan and then added about 1 teaspoon more of oil and then about 1/4 tablespoon of minced ginger. So just lightly saute the ginger. Once that's lightly sauteed, we'll add our vegetables. You can also add more garlic here if you'd like as well. So you want to add your hardest vegetables first, or most dense. So we added about 1.5 cup carrots. While your sauce is simmering, you can take your eggplant out of the oven. Should be lightly charred. We'll let it cool, and then we can peel off the skin. So take your roasted or broiled eggplant, chop that up, and add it to your sauteing carrots. Next, you can add your kale, and once that gets bright green, you don't want it mushy, but once it just cooks a little bit and turns bright green, you can add it to your noodles, which already has the sauce on it, and mix it up, and that will be it.